Lesson 13. Okay, so today we're going to look at a new consonant. This is the samech. Okay, the ha in the word samech is pronounced like a very strong ha. Ha. So we're going to have a read the samech now with some vowels, the vowels we've learned so far. So samech sounds as s. Okay, so with the vowels we know so far. Okay, so sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel, the little t, kamat and patach, the dash, or the a vowel which sound as a. So you write down the sound of the consonant first, then you look for the sound of the vowel which is a, either of them two or both are, and you add it to the sound of the consonant and blend it together, sa and sa. This one, sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel, the dot sound is e. So you add that to the sound of the consonant. Se, se. Sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel. This is the O vowel. The O vowel is written to the top left of a Hebrew consonant, or the vav is used, the V, with a dot on top. So sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel, O. So. Okay, we'll have practice with a couple more little letters. I'll do two. Okay, so sound of the consonant, sound of the vowel, a, sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel, it's the vav with the dot on top, which is the O vowel. Maso. On this one, sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel, O. Sound of the consonant is the kaf, which sounds as cat. The three dots is the air vowel, and resh at the end. Socher. We can have a look at some Hebrew words. We just do 2 words to learn. So the first one we do . Okay, so this one, sound of the consonants, sound of the vowel underneath, is the 3 dots, which is air. Sound of the consonant, sound of the vowel, air. Sound of the consonant, semel, which means symbol. Sound of the consonant, ka. Sound of the vowel, o. Sound of the consonants, kos, which is ka. Okay, so now I want you to have a go. I'm going to give you some sounds in Hebrew. I'm going to write up the sound, and I want you to write the actual Hebrew letters to see how you would get that sound. So kole, lasso, loge, and seger. Seger. Okay, so the first one, kole. So we need the ka. So far we've learned this is the ka, the dot inside the ka. To get the O sound, it's the O vowel. So we can either put a dot to the top left, or we could have used the vav for the dot on top. So ko, le, so we need the l, lamed, and we need the air sound. So we could put 2 dots or 3, and it'd still be the same, ko, le. Okay, so the next one, lasso, so we need the l, lamed to start, Look what vowel sound it is. Ah. So it's either the petach, which is the dash, or you could use the kamat, which is the little t, but they both sound as ah. So that would still read as la. And then you need so s. The new letter we've learned today is samech, with the o vowel, dot to the top, left. Lasso. Loge, lamed. The o vowel, so we could use the vav with the dot on top. Ge, so we need gemel. And again, the air sound, we could put 2 dots or 3. It'd still read loge. And the last one, sege, so we'd need the samech to get that sound. Then we'd need the sound of the vowel, 2 dots or 3. Ger, so ga, gemel. The air vowel, 2 dots or 3. And resh, seger. So if you wrote the words using different vowels in the answers I wrote, but it still sounds the same, you did fine. I just want to do a recap now, guys, on the letters we've done so far. So I'm going to write them down quickly. Just to see what you remember from the previous lessons. And obviously today's one's in it. Okay, so the first one. If you want to say the name of the letter, you can. Because by saying the name of the letter, it helps you to remember our sounds. So the first one is the bet. And it sounds ba. The first letter of the word, of its name, is our sounds. Ba. So sounds as ba. Resh. Again, sounds as Lamed. Sounds as Mem. Sounds as Tav. Sounds as ta. Sheen. Sounds as sh. Gamel. Sounds as ga. Vav. V. Kaf. Ka. And samech. Okay, so they're all the letters we've learned so far from all our lessons. And the vowels we've learned is A, E, and O. Just a recap on the vowels. And I'm going to use the bet as examples. Okay. They're the 3 symbols for the A vowel, which sounds as A. So these all be read, sound of the consonant, ba, sound of the vowel attached, A. So they'd all be reading ba, ba, ba. Same again, if it was the E, there's 3 different ways to write the E vowel, which sounds as E. 2 dots, 3 dots, 5. Sound of the consonant, ba, sound of the vowel, E. So they would all read be, be, be. And the O vowel, there's only 2 ways to write it. A dot to the top, left, or the V is used, the vav, and a dot put on top, which would both read as bow and bow. Okay, so that's a recap on everything we've learned so far. Okay, I'll see you soon for the next lesson.